Good morning, my dear students. Today we have studied about electric conductors and insulators and also electrical safety. Okay, so in order to study about electric conductors and insulators, we need to conduct an activity. So we need an electric cell, two connecting wires, electric bulb, then a paper clip made up of steel and an eraser is needed. Okay, first make an electric circuit. And the two connecting wires are not connected. So this is an open circuit. And with the help of a paper clip by using a with the help of a paper clip made up of steel, we are placing this here. Okay, in order to close this circuit, we are using a paper clip first, which is made up of steel. So what will happen? Yes, the bulb will glow. When we are using a paper clip made up of steel, the bulb will glow. That circuit will become closed, so the electric current will flow through the circuit and thereby the bulb will glow. And instead of this paper clip, when we are using an eraser here, what will happen? Yes, the bulb will not glow. Okay, because the eraser will not, yes, it will not transmit the electric current through them, so that the bulb will not glow. The creates an open circuit, so the bulb will not glow. So through these activities, we can conclude that some materials will allow the electricity to pass through them and some materials will not allow. So coming to the electric conductors, the conductors are the materials that allow the electric current to pass through them. The examples are aluminium, copper, silver, gold. All the metals are good electric conductors. It will allow the electric current to pass through them. That's why when we are using a paper clip made up of steel here, it conducts the electricity. Since the steel is a metal, metal will conduct the electricity. It is a good conductor. Okay, and all the non-metals are not good conductors except graphite. Graphite is a non-metal and it is a good conductor. So all the metals are good conductors, all the non-metals are not good conductor except graphite. Okay, then coming to insulators, when we have used a rubber eraser here, what we have seen, yes, the bulb will not glow. So that means certain materials will not allow electric current to pass through them. So such kind of materials are called insulators. The examples are rubber, plastic, wood, then glass, etc. All these are insulators that will not allow the electric current to pass through them. Okay, and we have seen that the electricians, when they are using the electric devices and they are using the electric wires, they will wear a rubber gloves in order to prevent what? In order to prevent the flow of electric current through their body, or in order to prevent the electric shock, they are using the rubber gloves in their hands. Okay, and there are two multiple choice questions in your textbook. Electric current flows only when the circuit is closed. Then which of the following is not an insulator? Which of the following is not an insulator? Yes, copper. Copper is a metal. It is a good conductor. It is not an insulator. All the others like rubber, wood, plastic, all those are insulators that will not allow electric current to pass through it. Okay, then coming to electrical safety, when we are using the electric devices and electric appliances, care should be taken because there may be chances of getting electric shock when we are not taking care of that properly. Okay, so before handling such kind of devices, we should take some preventive measures. Okay, so first preventive measure is replace, when the bulb get fused, we are replacing it with another one. So replace the electric bulb only when the switch is off. We should turn off the switch, and also we should allow the electric bulb to cool down. Then only we can remove it and change it with another one. Okay, and the next one is never touch the electric switches or gadgets when your body is wet. When our body is containing water or when our body is wet, never use the electric device, because it fastly conducts the electricity through our body. Since our body is a good conductor of electricity, if it is a wet condition, it will fastly the current will fastly flow through our body. So only if our body is dry, we can use the electric devices safely. Clear? Then do not try to repair or install electric wiring or appliances. If we are not aware about much aware of that kind of thing, do not deal with such kind of wiring and electric appliances. Okay, and there may be transformers and some electric devices will be there on the roadsides, like electric post, then transformers, etc. Do not touch those things. Then do not touch the hanging wires on the road. Sometimes the wires get broken and it is hanging down. So do not touch those hanging wires. And when we are using kites, care should be taken, because there may be chances of getting struck with the power lines. So do not use the kites when there is a power line is going through that area. Clear? Then never join the electric wires with our bare hands. With our bare hands, never try to join the electric wires. Clear? So these are the most important preventive measures that we need to take care of when we are dealing with the electric devices. Clear? So these are the things that we have studied in today's class, and the next chapter we can start in our next class. So before the next class, you should complete your exercise question answers in your notebook, and I will share the PDF of answers today itself. So all of you should complete your notebook. Okay, this is compulsory. Okay, thank you.